Hey everyone.
Hi.
Thank you for watching. We are organising the next Art Studio live session on the 28th of September.
If you're interested in taking part, we are offering a place to the first 10 emails that we get from people. And if you're number 11 or thereafter, we will put you on the waiting list for the next session.
Oh, we haven't said what it is yet. If you're not familiar with the Art Studio tours that we give, it's really cool. It's a live online Zoom session where we tour each other's studio. So no matter where you are in the world, we come and visit. No need to tidy up. We like it just the way it is.
Squash tubes of paint and a bit of dust is also okay.
We're okay with that. And doesn't matter if it's a big studio, a small studio, anything is good. If you're interested and you want to join, send us an email to mail@dutchartbox.com. And like we said, the first 10 get in and the rest gets put on the wait lists.
Look forward to seeing you.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.